Jimmy Fahey, Carrier Sales Manager with Loadsmart, and here's your market update in less than 60 seconds. Bullish container news continued to pour in over last week as equipment lessor Triton International reported Q3 2020 results and described Q4 2020 demand for equipment as exceptionally strong. Chinese factory capacity is booked through 2020, and market conditions are expected to remain tight throughout the Chinese New Year. Blizzard-like conditions will be heading through parts of Montana, with wind gusts reaching 35 to 40 miles an hour. Snowfall in the Sierra Nevada region will also affect drivers along I-80 and Highway 50 in the area. Outbound tenders have increased in some markets along the storm's path, and it is possible that many drivers will shift to other markets to avoid the storms. Hurricane and tropical storms continue to pound the Gulf Coast, and we are yet again tracking a storm. Tropical Storm Eta, the 28th storm of 2020, has been tracking through the Caribbean over the last week and intensified again over the weekend. The storm is expected to bring 15 to 20 inches of rain to parts of South Florida this week. Reefer demand continues to climb to the highest level seen, with demand at 2,556 index points and national tender rejections sitting at 47.6%. Shippers should prepare for market conditions to tighten across the nation.